Hey, I'm Manna, a vegan, no-waste chef, and today on Chefs Making Snacks, my crispy cauliflower wings. Let's go. Today on Chefs Making Snacks, I just wanted to do that. I'm Gordon Ramsay, and today, the star of this recipe is the cauliflower. And the one ingredient that is often thrown away are the cauliflower leaves. This is a no-waste recipe, so everything is going to use. The first thing you need to do is take the leaves off. I like to trim the leaves down by the base. Now we can remove the core. This is a bit too tough, so we'll compost this. So now you have perfectly groomed cauliflower head. It's had a haircut. Tear your cauliflower into florets, like so. How long have I been vegan? At this point, I've lost track, but yeah, roughly 5 years now. This is a vegan confession. My confession is going in the box. Guilty. I have crumbled being a vegan. I was in Paris with my wife, we were visiting. All of a sudden I smelled this like buttery, crispy, I don't know if you can smell crispiness, but this like buttery flakiness in the air. And I remember just like walking in and asking for a croissant and enjoying that. I think it's okay to slip up here and there along the way. Hopefully the vegan police don't come after me. We have a little bit of the core right here. This is softer than the stem, so I'm just gonna chop that up and add it to our bowl. Cauliflower, done. Moving on, we are gonna make our dry ingredients. So what you'll need is a bowl, breadcrumbs, nutritional yeast, desiccated coconut, and salt. Give that a mix. Smells amazing. Let's make our batter. Plain flour, chili powder, salt, black pepper, oat milk, and oil. You want the batter to be slightly loose, but not too thick. There we go. Perfect. Doesn't get any easier than this. Cauliflower in the batter. Give that a mix. Place it in your dry ingredients. There you go. That's it. Repeat. My favorite snack? This is a hard one. Peanut butter and jelly sandwich. That was like my packed lunch up until the age of like 10 or 12. And that sandwich has been sitting in tinfoil or some sort of like saran wrap, whatever, for like a few hours. The jelly has soaked through the bread. And then you have like, I know it might sound gross, but it's like a little soggy. You have like a soggy, wet bottom. It sounds crazy, but there's something happens. And to me, I'm like, I can eat this all day. We can't forget our leaves. So leaves are going in the batter as well. Let the excess batter fall off and then into the breadcrumbs. Check that out, onto a baking tray. All we need to do now is bake until golden brown and crispy, about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll make our sauce. So in a frying pan, turn on the heat. Ah, hey! We'll melt some plant-based butter. Wait until that has melted and it's bubbling. At this time, you can check your emails, text your mom, text your dad, say hi, hope you're having a great day. Maybe text a friend, a loved one. Okay, the butter completely melted. We're gonna go in with the rest of our ingredients. So I'm gonna add hot sauce. And if you're wearing a white shirt like I am, be warned, maple syrup, smoked paprika. Now we'll add our cornstarch and slowly start to whisk. Reduce the heat and incorporate everything together. I've done every single job from washing dishes to managing restaurants. I started noticing the amount of food waste in the restaurant I was working in. I started saving some of the scraps of food that were being tossed away. I wasn't eating it, I was sharing it with local food banks. My management, my team, my chef found out that I was doing this, so I got fired. And then at that point, I said, you know what, maybe I can open up my own restaurant. My friends at the time were like, you need to put this on social media. So I started sharing my story, sharing my vision, sharing the food I was creating, the recipes. Quickly grew a following, and it's been a journey. It's been fun. Boom, there you have it. Crispy cauliflower wings, good as a snack, even better when you have friends around. Let's give it a try. Crispy, crunchy, a little spicy, a little sweet, a little smoky. I could eat this. Oh, that's the heat. I can eat this all by myself. This is delicious. There you have it, crispy cauliflower wings. Obviously, this is a play on, a twist to the original buffalo wing. Obviously, there's no chicken involved in this dish. It's all cauliflower. This is chefs making snacks. Get involved, try this out. And don't forget to like, share this recipe, and keep a lookout for more delicious recipes on Twisted Green. Finger looking good.